If you use multiple AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or Midjourney, you've probably had that frustrating moment when you know you created something before, but you have no idea where is it. Smart AI Manager is designed to solve exactly that problem by bringing your AI chats, prompts, images, files, and projects into one organized, searchable system. In this video, let's take a quick look at what it actually does and whether it's worth using. It is the world's first AI brain OS that remembers everything, organizes, instantly finds every prompt, chat, image, video, idea created across ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Midjourney, and 20 plus AI tools. It says Smart AI Manager is different because it was built around one simple idea. These are some of the features mentioned on the sales page. Now let's take a look how this works. So you have to follow three simple steps to never lose an AI chat, prompt, or a file. Step number one, you connect your AI sources, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Midjourney. Step number two, let Smart AI Manager capture and organize. Step number three, search, find, and reuse instantly. This offer is only for $14.95. Let's check what that AI manager gives you. It gives you universal semantic memory, smart collections, full chronological timeline, real insights, and one dashboard, not a dozen logins. What can you do with Smart AI Manager? Client and project organization. You can be a content creator, command center, marketing and ad asset library, freelance delivery vault. You get team knowledge base. These are some feedbacks from some of the users. The brain engine built for scalable AI work. 100% searchable content, 10x faster, and 70% less time wasted. Now let's check the features one by one. The unified one brain control panel. Universal search with semantic precision. Real-time instant file auto-organizer. Project-driven workspace management. Universal AI capture fleet. Then we have zero-touch auto-organization center. Then cross-platform format controller. Insights and analytics engine. Then we get lightning fast cloud sync network. We also get commercial and agency license powerhouse. These are some more of the features, which is centralized asset command center, smart tags and filter, 100% cloud-based brain, flexible export options, instant real-time preview, one-click bulk import. Again, you can just go through the sales page. You can check what features you get, and they also have a 30-day money back guarantee. Your purchase is 100% risk free. Try Smart AI Manager for a full 30 days, no risk and no stress. So if you regularly use multiple AI tools and struggle to keep your prompts, chats, and projects organized, Smart AI Manager looks like a useful solution worth checking out. Whether it's right for you ultimately depends on how much you need centralized AI organization. If you want to check it out for yourself, I've put the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest AI reviews.